Okay. Now we're broadcasting, so that'll be good. Okay.
Are we just waiting? Still waiting for Kazuya?
Yeah. Tailed. There we go. Let me see if I can invite him one more time. Have you guys looked at the test yet?
Yeah, I've looked at it. I haven't really answered anything, but I've looked over it.
Gotcha.
Have you been looking at it too?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. I've answered a few questions, so
It doesn't look very hard, man.
it's not.
I think we'll finish it probably like 10 minutes, maybe
Yeah, probably.
10, maybe the most is 15, because I was just looking over it.
Yeah, I'm already on. I'm like already on question 9. It's not seeming very difficult.
Yeah. because you still not.
Everyone
Okay, I
gets
posted
started.
lesson 7 up there already.
What did you say?
I just posted it up there.
Oh, awesome.
Lesson 7.
Cool. Okay. If we want to just get started, so that you can go when you need to, and then I can fill him in afterwards if you guys have to leave.
Okay.
So 1 and 2.
So
We did the group meeting and the.
number 1 and 2, those are easy. Um,
Question 3, I got the null hypothesis.
yeah, I did too. Jeremy, is your volume on low or something like that?
Yeah, because I could barely hear you, Jeremy.
On my phone.
That could be why.
Oh yeah, my computer, I can't get sound. I can't get it to record or anything, so
Oh,
my phone. So I'll just talk louder.
okay. So yeah, I got null hypothesis as well in question 3.
For number 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got too.
And for question 4, when computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? I put null hypothesis.
That's
Yeah.
what I did.
That's right.
Good.
Number 5, I did the third one, the HA with the U with the equal sign with the slash through it.
That's what I got as well.
The equal sign slash one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And then question 6, I got the one with the caret facing left.
You got the second one, did you say?
The first one.
The
That's
first
what I got too.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Then the right tail test.
I got the second one for that.
I got the second one. Is that the one you got, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, dude. I don't know if it's your volume or something or your mic, but we could barely hear you. I don't know what it is.
Let me see if I can fix it.
Yeah.
Okay, what question are we on?
So we're on number 7. You said the second one. Is that what you got?
Let me check. Number 7.
Mm-hmm.
So number 6, I got the first one.
Mm-hmm.
7, I got the second one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we got too. Okay. He's trying to fix his mic.
Gotcha.
Which relationship would result in falling to reject a null hypothesis?
I got the first one on that because in the homework it says if the p-value, so the probability that you get an extreme number or
Yeah.
whatever it is, if it's greater than the significance, which is that symbol, then you fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah, that's right. Is that what you got, Jeremy?
Yeah. Can you guys hear me better now?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
And then on question 9, I got the second one. It's the opposite, and then the significance is greater than the p-value.
Uh-huh. Yep, that's the same one. I agree.
Great.
This one wasn't hard so far.
Alternative hypothesis. Let's see.
HA.
Its current policies. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. Oh. Okay, hold on. Following would be appropriate alternative hypothesis. I think it's the average claim amount is greater than 1,500 because the examples that they have in
The text.
the information is that the alternative hypothesis would be
Was 15,000. So, yeah.
So you're saying
Yeah.
it's the third one?
Yeah.
That's what I think. Is there anything that you guys would think would make it different than the third one?
I think that's right.
Let's see.
So would number 11 be the last one?
That seems.
Number 11. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks right.
So
Wait, what was that? You guys cut out.
wait, hold on. Hold on.
Let me try to read it again.
Yeah, I think that's true.
I think so too.
So we're saying that question 11 is the last one?
Yeah, because
Actually, I'm not sure because if you go into the fourth section of the fourth section of the information, it says that the claim representing the status quo is an equal to, so that could mean that the null hypothesis for question 11 would be that the claim is equal to 1500. And then the alternative hypothesis would be if it's not equal to 1500.
yeah. So
So
yeah,
question 10 would be,
that's what it says in the reading too.
yeah, so question 10, I'm thinking more of along the lines of if it's not equal to
Yeah,
1500, then it would be the
because that's
alternative.
what but that's the alternative hypothesis, right? Or no,
Yeah. Yeah,
that's
so the
the
null
mhm.
hypothesis would be the claim is equal to 1500.
So what's question 10? Not equal?
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Not equal, because yeah, I just looked at the reading too, and it says to brief in writing we label null hypothesis the zero script should mean null base defect no effect, and it says we alternately label it. He says our alternatives can be labeled and it just has a bunch of different equations and it shows not equal on one of them. But it talks about like two-sided and one-sided and left-tailed and right-tailed. But that sounds right what you're saying. Because the null hypothesis is equal. I mean the null hypothesis.
Yeah, it's equal to the amount of 1500.
Yeah, and then the other one, the alternative hypothesis, if it's not equal. Because I'm looking at the example right now. Yeah. So then the other one would be equal, right? Would be the first answer for 11.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's right. I'm looking at the thing right now, but because it says it's like using 98.6 degrees on the example, and it says we present the null hypothesis in the following way, and it says like the null hypothesis equals 98.6, and it says the alternative hypothesis has the does not equal sign for it. So I'm pretty sure that's the same thing for this, guys. Does that sound right for you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Okay. The insurance company randomly selects n equals 40 claims and calculates a simple mean of 1650. Use this information to answer the next three questions. The company assumes that the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? If it's bigger, it doesn't mean that means it's normal, right?
Yeah, anything bigger than 30 would mean that it's
Yeah.
the sample size is large, which would mean that it would. So I'm thinking it's the first answer.
For some reason, I'm getting a call from. He keeps on calling. Kazuya? Let me see.
So did you you guys say 12 was the first answer?
Dude, so you're on another call. You're calling me. Thomas keeps on sending you invites, but are you not getting those?
Yeah, Jeremy, I think the first one is the answer for question 12.
Here, get off of this one, and I'll just have him try to send you another one, man. You hear that, man? I was just talking to Kazuya. Did you hear me talking to him?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been sending it to him, huh? He's probably just not getting it. I don't know why. It's weird.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not working either.
Because he just called me and it was fine. I wonder
Do
if,
you want to send him an invite? I have his email address.
yeah, I could send him an invite. Let me see. I don't know if it'll let me send it though, because you're
Should
the one
have
that,
one.
that hosted the call. Yeah, because it's not, it doesn't give me an option right here.
Interesting.
You see an option to invite him on yours, Jeremy?
Let me look.
Because I'm looking right here, it doesn't give me any options to add him to a call.
Yeah, I'm not getting any options.
Okay, let me see if I can.
How many more do we have left?
There's 21 questions.
We got 8 left.
Okay, that's not that many.
Okay, if you guys want to continue on, I'm going to see if I can try and get the invite sent to him via my Gmail account, see if that'll work.
Okay. So, did you guys do number 12 then?
Yeah,
Ready?
we said that was the first one.
Yeah, good. Yeah, because it's large, because it's over 30, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
So with number 13.
The theory or law justifies your answer to the previous question. Is that the central? Oh no, it's the large. I think I'm trying to remember what all of them are. What'd you say, Jeremy?
I'm guessing it's the law of large numbers. So I just Googled what the law of large number means, and it says a principle of probability according to which the frequency of events with the same likelihood of occurrence even out.
I think it might be.
Because I don't think it's the law of total probability. I don't think that's it.
No, we haven't. Hold on. Okay, I sent that to him, seeing if it'll work.
Hey guys,
Oh, great.
finally.
Did that work through your Gmail, or did that work? Did you get it?
Yeah,
Okay. Was it like was it my actual email that I sent to you with the link?
hmm
Okay, I'll make sure that next time I'll just send a link to everybody and then we can just go from there.
yeah.
Because it seems like that's the easiest thing.
So, how far have you guys gone?
We are on question 13, and I think the
13.
answer is central limit theorem.
I agree.
That's what I think.
Because that states that if the sample size is large enough, it will make the population sample distributed normally. So, or the sample mean.
Yeah.
So, Kazuya, did you answer all the questions beforehand?
Yeah, I was working on exactly where you guys are at, pretty much.
Oh, perfect.
So,
So are we on 14 then?
Yeah.
let's see.
So the following is a test statistics as defined in this lesson. Test statistics. It's talking about
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now. It's in 4.2.
I think it's the sample mean.
I think
No,
it's
no, it's Z. It's Z actually.
That's what I was thinking too.
You said Z?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's actually right. Yeah.
Okay. The historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is $150 with a standard deviation of $40. The store manager suspects that the average has decreased. He set up a hypothesis test with the hypotheses. Null hypothesis is equal to $150. Alternative is that the mean is less than $150. She will use a level of significance is 0.05. She then takes a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and computes the mean is equal to 144.
So
Okay. Z-score.
take the value, which is like 150, then you subtract the mean, right? And then you divide by the standard deviation.
divided by square root of.
Does that sound right, guys?
Yeah.
Did you guys already calculate it? I got
I'm
0.9.
You got
I'm not
0.9?
sure. That's right.
You
What
got
did you get?
I got 0.9.
What's the standard deviation? Is it 36 people or no?
It's 40.
40.
Oh, yeah, I totally did it wrong. Okay, that makes sense.
So wait, just to clarify on this, we subtract 150 by 144,
Which is 6.
and then you divide it by the standard deviation divided by the sample size. Gotcha. Or the square root of the sample size. Okay.
Is it the square root?
It should be.
That's what it shows the the statistic as.
Oh, so is that how you get this?
No, that's not Z-score. Z-score is. Wait, that's the same thing as the Z-score, isn't it? Yeah.
So the Z-score is basically the mean minus the whatever.
It's your actual observed value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation, which is also divided by the square root of the sample size.
Oh, so that's the sample mean, right? The bottom one.
The bottom one is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. So sample size was 36 sales receipts.
Yeah, but I think that's the equation for the what is it called? That the sample mean or the sample means or whatever it's called. That equation. So what did you guys get?
On 15, I got 0.9. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah, let me check.
I think it was 6 divided by 6.666666, right?
There we go.
What was wrong, man?
I think I just lost internet connection or something like that.
Oh,
So, did you guys figure? Are we saying 0.9 for 15?
That's what I got.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for For 16, what is the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question? Is this asking for the left side of the area?
So let's see, we put our probability and
And
z-score.
yeah,
Let me just check. So let's,
I got 0.184.
Let me check real quick.
that's what I also got as well.
Me too.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
So what interference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem? Reject or fail to reject? This is going to be fail to reject, right?
The p-value is less than the significance level.
Mm-hmm. Because it's only, what, 18%?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be rejecting the null hypothesis.
Yeah. So then that means for 18, what is your conclusion for this problem?
So that'll be the third one. We don't have enough evidence that true population mean is less than 150.
Yeah, because we can't reject it. Or no, because we
We
can't.
did reject we rejected the null hypothesis, which means that we accepted the alternative hypothesis. And what was the alternative hypothesis on this? That it was less than-
Alternative was mean is going to be less than 150.
50, yeah. It's going to be
So-
less than 50.
Wait.
Yeah, that's
Would that-
the hypothesis.
So would that be the fourth answer then?
I think 17 is going to be reject the null hypothesis, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's what we got.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because if you reject the null hypothesis, then you have enough evidence to actually accept the.
I mean, there's less than 150.
I was confused.
Okay.
So do we? What did you guys choose on question 18 then?
Third one.
And 17 was reject the null hypothesis or the fail one?
Reject.
Reject.
Okay.
So if we reject it, then we have. Does that mean we have? That's what I'm asking right now. Because Tom, we were saying that if we reject it, that means we have sufficient evidence.
That's what I'm thinking. Because like, they tell us to be careful about rejecting a null hypothesis if it's true, and not rejecting it if it's false. But we know that it's false, that we can reject it. So wouldn't that give us sufficient evidence that the true population is less than 150?
But the null hypothesis means that it is less than 150, right?
What did you say?
I said the null hypothesis. When you look up there, it's like the hypothesis the regular one is.
Yeah, the mean is equal to
It's
150.
equal, but then the null hypothesis that it's less than 150. So if we reject that, that means we don't have enough sufficient evidence that it is less than 150. Does that make sense?
Could you say that again?
So it would be the third one because the null hypothesis is that it is less than 150. But since we reject the null hypothesis, that means we don't have enough evidence that it is less than 150 because we rejected it. I don't know.
Well,
Does that
no,
make
'cause
sense?
The null
Oh.
hypothesis is saying that it's equal to 150, but the alternative is that it's less than it.
Oh, that's the alternative. Okay.
So it's going to be the second one, right?
Well, we thought it was the fourth one.
Fourth one, we have
That-
insufficient. Really? We have.
That's what I think, because the null hypothesis
Mm-hmm.
saying that the true population is $150.
Mm-hmm.
We rejected the null hypothesis based on our evidence, which means that can't be true, which means we would have sufficient data to mean that the true population is less than 150, which is the statement that the alternative hypothesis is making. So I'm just curious as to which one is the correct one that we use.
Which one is You're asking what question?
I just want to make sure that we're answering that question right, because I think that it's answer 4, but I don't know if that's.
I'm leaning more less than the fourth answer.
Hmm.
Should we try number 4?
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
is
that's
it?
not-
Figure it out after.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing the hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true, type 1 or 2? Let me make sure. So I think whenever we reject the null hypothesis, we make a type 1 error.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Agreed.
Yeah, I say that too. I just read that too.
Mm-hmm.
it's all right, guys. Okay.
The researchers decided that instead of using level of significance of A equals 0.05, he will use A equals 0.01. Which of the following will be true? Hmm? That I do not understand. So I guess mm,
Let's see.
I know it has to do with the type of error, but I'm just trying to figure out which one it is.
mm,
Which number is this?
20.
The only thing I get from type 1 and 2 error is that like 2 is bigger than type 1. I don't know.
I'm trying to think of it. It's saying that I think it's answer 2. If you read it in here on the type 1 and type 2 errors, it says if the significance value, which
Where'd he go?
You still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Not Tom?
I think Tom froze up.
Yeah.
I think it's tight. So I think this is what he was gonna say. He type 2 error is when, like, what I was reading and what I found is like when it's more significant in the way that
Oh, okay. Yeah. I found it.
I found it too.
you guys
Yeah.
found.
I agree.
What did you read?
The 2 paragraph above scenario 1, it talks about the exactly the same thing that Thomas were just about to say.
Instant when it was the yeah, because it's a level of significance 0.5 between the probabilities coming. So is it more than 0.5? It's less though, right? Or it's talking about level of significance. So you guys think it's 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
And if
I
not,
think
it's
so.
going to be the
Question.
1.
If A equals 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error.
So this is oh, his computer crashed.
Yeah, you guys read it?
He's the one who's
Yeah.
broadcasting it too.
Man, what's going on with this technology? Nani?
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, Benny. Nani mitiro? Train? Are you watching Train?
Talk.
Are you watching Truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. So did you guys figure out how to do this one?
Yeah, I'm still trying to.
How do we find that probability?
Do we just put it in as a z-score? That can't be right?
No.
Do we just put in as an area? Oh man, it's the last one though. Come on.
Would it be 0?
So how did 0?
So if you look at the assignment where it starts at like the section 4.5, and there's a little box and it says if committing a type 1 error is undesirable, why can't we let it a equals 0? That would make it impossible to commit or maybe that's not right.
The most common value for a equals 0.5 is equal to 1 over 20. So when the null hypothesis is true, 1 in 20 chance. Other common choices for a includes a equals 0.1 and a equals 0.01. I don't even know what that means. That means there's a 1 in 20 chance null hypothesis true. There is a 1 in 20 chance that it will be rejected at the level of 0.05 level of significance. Other common choices for A include, so if there's a 1 in 20 chance